This free animation generator is available not only on desktop but also on your Android or iOS devices. In this quick AI video tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to create your own animation movie using ChatGPT AI and this free text to animation generator. So let's get started. Let's go ahead part by part. Part 1. Create video script using ChatGPT. To create our story or video script, we can use ChatGPT or Google Bard. However, in this video, I am going to use ChatGPT. So now ask ChatGPT to generate a video script for you. So in this example, I asked ChatGPT to generate a dialogue between two people. Now moving on to the part 2, install text to animation app. In this tutorial, we will use Pled, a text-to-film software available for Windows, Android, and iOS. So now go to Google search and search Pled, and from this website, you can download Pled for your website. After the download is done, open the installer file to install Pled on your PC. You can simply follow the installation instructions. After that, you can register using your email or Gmail or Microsoft account. You can use this software for free in a 30-day trial mode. Now we come to the part 3, text Pled scene. Before creating any scene, let's create our very first movie project. Open your Pled Studio. Here click create video to start creating your animated movie. Now we have a blank scene. Here click the A icon to add a text Pled scene. For our opening scene, paste or type your opening text or title. You can change the text position if needed. Now click the voiceover menu to select your voiceover style. Here you can set the voiceover volume and press the play button to see and listen to this opening scene.
Enter planning site.
Click the music button to add music to our scene. Here you can click on the music menu and select your music. Okay, moving on to the part 4, let's add scene background. Click the movie clipper icon to create a new movie scene. Click the movie clipper menu and select the scene background. Here comes the part 5, create characters. After that, after adding background, now let's add a character to our scene by clicking the actor menu. You can select a pre-made character or click the Create Character button to create your own character. First, select your character's gender or use the Randomize button to select a random gender. Now select your character's face shape. You can change any object color by selecting the color from the color menu. At the bottom, you can also change the hairstyle, mustache, eye color, and shape. Now after that, let's change our character's clothes. Now let's choose a voice style for our character. Click the A icon to change our character's name. Click the Done button to save our custom character. Repeat these steps to create our second character. Moving on to the part 6, set a character position. Now select our first character from our scene. Now let's change our character's position by clicking the position menu on the right side of our character's name. Here select your desired position. In this example, I will place this character on a chair. Now add our second character to the scene by clicking the actor menu. Once again, select your second character and set the second character position. Part 7. Let's adjust the camera style. Now let's add a camera style by clicking on the camera icon. Select your desired camera style. Click the play button to see how this camera style looks. Here we go. Part 8. Add sound effects. Add a sound effect to your scene to make it more cinematic by clicking the bell icon. Select your desired sound effect. Part 9. Let's add dialogue scene. Click the dialogue icon to add a new dialogue to the current scene. Select your character from the list. Copy your dialogue script from ChatGPT and paste it into the Pled dialogue. Now click the microphone icon to listen to this dialogue voiceover.
Hey, how's it going? Hey, how's it going?
You can also record your own voice or select your audio file from this menu. Now add a new dialogue scene for our second character. For in-character animation, you can change the character's animation by selecting from the animation menu on the right side of the character's name. Repeat all these steps until the end of the dialogue. Once everything is set, click the export button. You can render the video or export the project. Here click render the video, choose your preferred resolution, and click render video. Here is the result from this AI animation movie tutorial.
Japan trip planning excitement.
Hey, how's it going?
Not too bad. Just trying to get through the work week. How about you?
Aim here. It feels like it's been dragging on forever. Anything exciting happening in your world?
I did finally book that trip I've been talking about for ages. I'm heading to Japan next month.
Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about this kind of cool new AI tools, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Let's meet with the next video. Have a great week.